Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix you'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste the first command. Press enter. And now you need to type a caps letter A and press enter. After doing this, copy the second command and paste it, press enter. Wait for this to finish guys. After getting finished, you just need to copy the third command and paste it here. Press enter. After finishing this, now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.